everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are analyzing a beautiful south-facing house plan design uh, for the total plot of 1,288 square feet. Many people believe south-facing plots are unlucky, but this is a huge myth. According to Vastu Shastra, if you place your entrance and rooms in the correct padas or zones, a south-facing home can bring immense prosperity. This plan features 840 square feet built-up area on the ground floor and open terrace on the first floor. Let's dive into the details. Starting at the south, we have a main entrance. Notice that sit-out area 10 feet 6 inch by 6 feet 6 inch, and the foyer 6 feet 11 feet 6 feet by 11 feet 3 inch. In Vastu, the main door for a south-facing house should ideally be in the southeast of south side. Moving inside, we enter a massive hall or living, 18 feet 6 inch by 10 feet, located in the nearly center. This is and uh, bedroom is in the southwest corner, 8 feet by 10 feet 6 inches. This is Nairuti corner, which is the most stable and powerful position for head of the family. It's come with the attached toilet for privacy. Attached toilet size is 3 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 6 inches. Now let's look at the northwest and northeast sector. The kitchen, 8 feet by 7 feet, is placed strategically in the northwest corner. Usually we will make kitchen in the southeast, which is first option, and this northwest is the secondary vastu option that works well for air circulation. Right next to its kids bedroom, 10 feet by 11 feet 6 inches, is in the northeast corner. Look at the window placement. This ensures cross ventilation, which is vital for positive energy flow. An attached toilet for that kids bedroom is available in the northwest corner, 8 feet by 4 feet. And one unique feature here is the common toilet located outside of that at the rear, keeping the uh, main living structure spiritually clean. You also notice a 3 foot of passage on east and 2 feet passage on the west, ensuring the house is not dead walled and gets light from all the side. Moving to the first floor via external staircase. The external staircase are great south-facing home as they wait to the southwest zones, which Vastu recommends. The first floor mimics the master bedroom and foyer layout, but opens up in the massive open terrace, 18 feet 6 inch by 22 feet 3 inches. This is perfect for evening gathering or roof garden. We also have a balcony, 8 feet by 6 feet 6 inches, facing the road, providing the aesthetic front elevation and spot for your morning tea. So total plot area is 1,288 square feet. Ground floor build-up area is 840 square feet, facing south. Uh, two bedroom, in the ground floor and one more bedroom in the first floor. If you are planning to build on a south-facing site, this plan offers a great balance of modern utility and traditional value. Traditional Vastu. You can see the dimension in both feet and meter on screen now. If you found this is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more architectural insights. Download links and contact info for the designer are in the description below. Thanks for watching. For more house plans like this, you can check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com and www.houseplans.world. Also, our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House plans and designs, house designs and plans, plan nest, and design nest apps. Check out and install now. Thanks for watching.